Welcome to DocElf, a simple invoicing software for business professionals. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and personalize your first invoice. The invoice we're going to create is for an auto repair shop. DocElf's flexibility allows you to add a personal touch to your invoices with options like a logo, custom colors, and font styles, ensuring your invoices are not only professional, but also align with your brand identity. To get started, visit docelf.com and sign up for a free account. Once you've registered and logged in, you'll be greeted by this user-friendly homepage. Navigate to the Invoices section to create your first invoice. You'll be presented with a blank invoice template. Let's start by setting the correct currency. DocElf supports multiple options including US dollars, euros, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, and Great British pounds. For this demonstration, I'll use US dollars. Next, input your company's details, such as the name and address. The footer info in the side panel allows you to add additional contact information like your phone number, email, and website. These details will appear at the bottom of your invoice. Next, add the name and contact details of your customer. For more in-depth information, use the Contact Info panel. I'll include an email address and phone number for this example. DocElf automatically assigns an invoice number starting from 1001 and incrementing with each new invoice, along with the current date as the invoice date and a default due date set 14 days later. You can modify these as needed. With the administrative details in place, it's time to add the most important part of the invoice, the line items. These represent the services or products you are billing for. To add the first item, click on Add Line Item. Fill out the item description, the quantity, and the unit price. You can also include any applicable taxes. I'll add a 5% sales tax here. Repeat this procedure to add the rest of your items. To add a discount, click on Add Discount and enter the amount or percentage. In the Terms and Conditions section, add any notes, payment instructions, or a thank you message to your customer. DocElf allows you to save standard terms for future use, which can save you a lot of time. To attach additional documents, go to Attachments and upload your files. Give the invoice a personal touch by adding your logo, choosing a custom color, and selecting a font that reflects your brand's unique style. To upload a logo, click on Upload Logo and choose an image file to upload. You can choose whether you want your logo to be small, medium, or large. Choose a color that complements your logo by selecting Colors in the side panel. You can choose between a preset color or define your own. I'm going to select a custom color from my logo. DocElf also offers a light and dark mode. The light mode is ideal for printed invoices and the dark mode for digital ones. Finally, pick a font from the 5 available styles. I'll use the default style here. To see how your invoice will look when finished, click on Preview. I am quite satisfied, so I'm going to click on Save to save this invoice. To send the invoice, click on Send. DocElf will automatically suggest the customer's email address if you've entered it earlier. The invoice will be emailed directly to your customer. You can monitor the delivery and viewing status of your invoice in the History section. This is how your invoice will look to your customer. Both you and your customer can print the invoice or save it as a PDF document. Upon receiving payment, record it in the payment field. You can adjust the date, amount, and add a note if necessary. This action will update the invoice's status to paid in the All Invoices list. If you would like to send a receipt to your customer, you can open the drop-down menu next to the invoice number and select Create Receipt. DocElf will create a receipt with the same content and style as your invoice. And that's a complete walkthrough of invoicing with DocElf. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the DocElf channel for more helpful guides and tips.